para kay John. Para sa unang salit niya, catch and shoot, pero wala lang. Eto, swing around the horn, Roca Curva, easy reverse.
Roca Curva will try to attack again. Cedillo is there to defend. Warren Bonifacio's fadeaway is good.
Binyan, or yung mga mahahabang kamay no, ng Binyan.
Mintis ang layup ni Warren Bonifacio, and Doligon puts Manila on the board. Strong rebound nakuha ni Mark Doligon.
I can sense a heat check. Yun.
Inside, that's Mark Doligon. Pamboy, top of the key three, off the mark. Doligon with the rebound, ahead to Joe.
Nice look.
Nice pass and a great finish. Galing kay Joe Gomez-Deliano.
Off leg for that layup.
7-4, Raimundo to Roca Curva. Down low they go. Ballesteros. Doligon.
Maliksi pa talaga kumilos ito, no?
Oo.
Doligon.
Grabe. Ibang klase. Mark Doligon ang init na simula dito. He's got 8 of the 10 of Manila and 4-point lead now.
And that's the difference when you're watching a Manila team. Doligon, Faa, and Joe Gomez-Deliano. You would think that, okay.
Tapos ikaw mga mostly basketball and life lessons.
Balance.
Oh,
Balance.
may wisdom.
Hopefully, wisdom ang tingin niya ron.
Well, the Guzman has made it a 5-point lead for Manila with that 3. Roca Curva quickly comes back with a 2-pointer.
Ang bilis nun,
So, natutuwa ako kasi nandun tayo nung nung shoot yan.
Yes.
Caballero to Waray Himpayan for 2. Yeah, Nick Caballero immediately making his mark with a steal and an assist.
Well, same thing with Himpayan. Kakapasok lamang yan. He was a recipient of that assist. Talk about assist. Ganda ng pocket pass. De Guzman kay Cedillo.
Nick Caballero, that is off his right leg. Manny Pay is the digital wallet built for the community. MVP stats. Wala tayong voting.
Yeah, stats. Sorry. Yeah.
As Red Eusebio.
Wala pa rin ba? Boboto sana ako eh.
Sige. Sabihin ko.
Pero pag bumoto ko, bawal lagyan ng kulay. Kasi, di ba, backed up by stats naman si Caballero. Hanggang doon na lang yun.
Kaya nga. Sige. Basta ikaw, basta yellow tsaka
Maroon.
tsaka maroon. Alam ko na.
I mean, especially with the influx of talent, right? Tingnan natin, baka mag-first team ulit siya.
Pamboy to Waray. Three-pointer doesn't work.
Inusog ang depensa. Mabigat yan yung inusog niya, si Doligon.
20-18. Cedillo.
Ito, nasa Pasay na rin tayo, okay? Kinig Caballero, na-nominate ko. Mamaya sa Pasay, Brian Hilario. Na-nominate ko rin.
LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Here we go. Nice pass.
I believe so. Binyan.
Poy Yaktub in the game. Poy layup and 1.
Doligon isolating Mike Mabulak.
Di naaabot si Mike Mabulak.
That will not count.